In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Temu to cancel an order effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to the platform, this guide will walk you step by step through the process, ensuring you can manage your orders with ease and confidence. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the Temu website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your credentials and get ready to access your account dashboard. This is where all your activity on Temu is managed and holds the key to tweaking your orders. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the option to go to your profile. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear, revealing several options you can choose from. From these options, you'll want to locate and select your orders. This section is essentially your gateway to viewing everything you've placed for purchase through Temu. Upon clicking into Your Orders, you'll see a list of all your recent purchases. This list includes all your past, present, and processing orders. This is crucial because it provides a comprehensive overview of your transactions. Now our focus will be on the orders that are still in the process of being fulfilled. So find the Processing tab, which helps filter your orders to the ones you can still modify before they are shipped. With the Processing tab active, you will clearly see a list of items that are awaiting shipment. Once there, identify the specific product that you'd like to cancel. Temu has made it quite simple at this point. You just need to locate the option to cancel. Usually, it's right next to the product description or in a small menu beside each order. Click Cancel to initiate the cancellation process. It's always good to double check at this stage. Make sure that the correct item is selected for cancellation because once a cancel action is confirmed, it may not be possible to reverse it. After clicking the cancellation button, the system may prompt you to confirm your decision. Follow those on-screen instructions, and you should see a real-time update in your list of orders, confirming that the cancellation was successful. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the interface, accessed your profile, and learned how to cancel an order on Temu. This ability not only ensures that you have control over your purchases, but also empowers you to manage your online shopping experience efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping.